Baby girl is so cute. So today I'm doing a review and unboxing video. I received this box in the mail today and I didn't know what it was at first, and then I remembered that I think somebody mentioned something to me and asked me if I wanted to get one, and I said yes, and so they sent me one. So thank you, Pinch Me, for sending me this box. So basically this is like a subscription box where you can try products from brands, like different brands for free. And so yeah, I got this cool box in the mail. I was like, what? Because I opened it up and there's so many cool things. There's a lot of my favorite products actually that I've already tried out in here too. So I'm just super like excited about this, and I'll have all of their information down below in the description box so you guys can go check out where to get some of these boxes for yourselves. And it's a really fun sort of like subscription. It's just pinchme.com, and they also have a Facebook and Instagram, which is just Pinch Me, and also a YouTube channel, which is Pinch Me US. So definitely go check them out, and I'll show you guys what I got in the box. So this is what the box looks like. So, let's see what is in here. So the first thing I am seeing is coffee. I'm not a coffee fan, so I'll probably be getting this to my mom. And but it looks good. It's dark roast coffee, and this is black gold. And it looks like it's a really good type of, ooh, it's dark chocolatey coffee. Ooh, that sounds really good, actually, but I don't like to drink coffee, so I'm not gonna have that. This I will use though. It's a Biore charcoal cleansing, how do you say this, micellar water. It says great for oily skin, which I have really oily T-zone, definitely since I work at a donut shop. Part of my job is working near the fryer, so I definitely get oily and gross at my job, and so I'll definitely be trying this out. It says that you wipe it all over your face until your skin is completely clean, and it can also remove your eye makeup too. So definitely excited to try this product out. And it's Biore. I love Biore, the Biore strips for your nose. So I'm definitely excited. Thank you so much, Pinch Me, for sending me this stuff. I'm so excited that, like, just to even get something like this. This next product is something that I already use, and it is Moroccan oil treatment. Is this the same stuff? I think this is. Check. Yeah, this is the same stuff for sure. This is the other bottle that I have, and I love this stuff. It smells so good. It has this really nice like fragrance to it, and oh, it's just so good. I love it. So thank you for sending me this. It's an amazing product. That's crazy, like, because this stuff is really expensive too, so I'm surprised that they sent me this, because it's like pretty damn like expensive. It's just, I love putting this stuff in my hair. Actually, I'm gonna put more in my hair later today, before I go out. And I didn't look at how much I used. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like nothing in here almost, so it's kind of crazy that I just got one sent to me in the mail. So thank you so much, Pinch Me. I like seriously appreciate it so much. I got some Skittles. Sweet Heat Skittles. I've never even heard of these Skittles before. So I got some exclusive ass fucking Skittles. Sweet Heat, and it has like fire on it, on the rainbow. I don't actually eat candy that often because I don't like eating too much sugar like that, especially that type of sugar. But I definitely will be trying those because it's actually really good. Okay, this is a Native deodorant. This is Native, but I cannot figure out. Oh, okay, I was trying so hard before. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. I could not figure out how to open it. I was trying to open it from here. I thought the cap was all the way up here, but you just open it like that. It smells pretty good. It's like a little on-the-go mini deodorant. I'll show you guys a close-up. These are the ingredients. I don't know. It smells like cinnamon maybe, like, I don't think that's cinnamon. I don't know what that smells, but it's so freaking good. Oh, it's shea butter. That's what that smell is. Yeah. I smell the shea butter in there. It's super good smelling. And I might use that for a little on-the-go deodorant. I don't know. This next thing is Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer. So it's like ointment or something. I don't know what this is. That is what it looks like. Super cute. I love it. My hands have been super dry lately, like to the point where they've been cracking and bleeding because I go outside and I smoke weed, and I love it, but my hands get so dry. So I definitely need something like this. I definitely have a lot of skin moisturizers though that I need to go through. So I just need to remember to apply it because I'm really bad at that. Just like don't feel like applying like lotion on my hands. I really don't like having lotion on my hands, but the back of my hands get really dry. So I think I should start doing it. There's a cough drop in here. The honey kind. A honey cough drop. This is a very interesting box. So there's another cough drop. So there's actually 2 cough drops in there. It's a cushion that this is neat. So it's for your foot. It's by the brand Compeed, and it's a blister cushion, so it prevents your feet from having blisters, and it stays in place, and it provides cushion so the back of your heel doesn't get blisters or cuts or anything like that. I actually need something like that because I have like cuts on the back of my feet, but the back of my feet, I have like both feet, like I have cuts in the same place, and it's because I don't have something like this. But I don't really like wearing like a band-aid. I don't know if I'm gonna use this honestly, because it looks like you apply it on like a band-aid, like you see in that picture. So I don't know if I'm gonna use this, but I like the idea of it for sure. Got some quinoa and rice. Oh my gosh, that's like exciting. I love quinoa and I love brown rice, so I'm super excited to try this. I love that this box includes a variety of things, including food too. That's like really neat that they do that. And this is vegetarian, it's all natural, no preservatives, no artificial colors or flavors, which is great. I love stuff like that. So thank you so much, Pinch Me. Definitely go check them out. Get your own box at pinchme.com. And the last thing in here is this, which is a Mane Magic 10-in-1 primer by the brand Eva NYC. This is what the bottle looks like. And it has argan oil and sunflower seed oil in it. So it's a face primer. I actually really need one, and so actually no, I have a face primer, but this is a spray kind, so I don't have one like that. So I'm super excited to try it out. Thank you so much, Pinch Me, for sending me this. I'm super excited that they have like beauty related stuff in this box too. This is like an amazing thing. I think that you guys should go check them out and get yourself one. Try out the latest products. You know, if you're into that sort of thing, a lot of people, you know, buy boxes and they're just, you know, beauty boxes or just one type of thing, but this has a combination of both food and beauty and health, wellness sort of stuff. Like, it has a little bit of everything, and I think that is really great about it. They also gave me a coupon with some tea in it, so I guess you can get this tea at the store. So this was also in there. Really exciting. I love it. So definitely go check them out, pinchme.com. That was everything in the box, and I am just so happy with everything that I got. It's just an amazing thing. Like, it's an amazing idea that somebody came up with, and I think that you guys, if you're into beauty boxes and that sort of thing and trying out new products, and you want to get a good deal on everything, because this was all like, seriously, a lot of this stuff was pretty expensive, and you actually get a pretty dang good deal off the whole thing just by subscribing to, you know, their box for each month. So I think that is amazing, and I'll have all their information down below where you guys can go easily click on the link to their website and go get yourself a box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, which is __Jasmine Kim, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!